Hi, I'm Pat. I am a homeowner for the last 23 years in a 3-story home. And I could hear my air conditioning clanging. So I started shopping for the best air conditioning furnace that I could possibly find. So I started the Google search and found the first 3 top recommendations. And Lennox was in the top of the list. And beside their name was a company called Cooper. Cooper was respectful, they're professional, and nothing went wrong. So I highly recommend when you do your Google search and look at replacing old systems with a new system, look at the Cooper team and also Lennox, because it was the best decision I made in my life, because my house is cool on all 3 levels, and it's good for the little dog that stays here 24 hours of the day. One other item I want to talk about is my utility bills. They were in the hundreds of dollars every month, winter and summer. And now that I have my new Lennox system, it is 1/3 of the cost of my utility bills. And yet my house is 10 times better warmed and cooled.
Call the Green Team, your Cooper Heating and Cooling Dream Team.